Do Indian people like to take photos of themselves?
Yeah, for sure. If you talk about Indian people, they are more photogenic.
Well said.
If they just visit any historical place or any place, they just want to create a memory. If you have a picture, you can leave that again and again, just by watching your pic. Like if you talk about me, I visited Taj Mahal, but I don't have that much of memory. But whenever I see my pic in that location or if of with the Taj Mahal, I just recollect each and every memories. So yeah, in my opinion, Indian people love to click a pic whenever they visit any of the historical point or any place which need to be remembered.
What kinds of devices do people like to use for taking photos these days?
Uh, as we are running, as we are like in
Little bit.
21st century, if you talk about like smartphones, they too hold a camera, a best camera. Like if you have an iPhone, it's similar to like a DSLR.
Yes.
You don't have to carry a DSLR because with the help of your iPhone, with the help of your smartphone, you can click. So most of the people would like to use the smartphone just for clicking
Okay.
because it gives a huge details and many more
Yes,
things.
yes. Why do some people like to delete photos?
In my concern,
In my concern,
in my opinion,
yes, yes.
in my opinion, people just click more than 10 to 20 pics
Okay.
at a time. Then they just segregate and they just filter which one is the best.
Okay.
If one is the best, then they just click rest of them. So this might be a reason for delete.
Okay, okay.
Or if they just
Like unnecessary images and all. Right.
like they just get accumulated in your gallery,
Right.
they just delete and like clear out the space.
Okay.
And might be a case that if they want to delete a history, like they just don't want to remember that part of their life, so they just delete that part peaks.
Okay.
Because whenever they see that peak of that moment,
Uh-huh.
they will be like into that memories. So
I think this answer was good. I understand, but however, you are not very clear in this answer. Not you are not able to express completely. Although I understand completely, but might be examiner might not understand what exactly you want to say. I understand unnecessary photos and all, but you are not able to convince 100% to me. It's okay, not good, no problem. Okay, why do some people like to keep photos like 180 degree? Yes, yes.
as I said
Yes.
earlier, if you want, like photos are the memories. If you talk about most of the people just click pics of during their marriage, when they are like get old, they just go through that pics, so they can recollect their old days.
Instead of saying pics, you can. Why don't you use the word photos? Pics like little bit okay, fine, but highly informal. Yes, continue.
Photos. So whenever you go through that photos, you go through that memories. You like there are so many stories connected to that photos.
Okay.
During that photo, if like
During that photos?
photos, we had this, we had that.
Okay.
This was the incident. This was the accident.
Right. Something is like correlated with that memory, right? Okay.
So it's not just a piece of a paper.
Okay.
It holds so many memories as well. So that's the reason people love to carry the photos.
There's an emotional attachment. Okay, that's good. Has the way people take photos changed recently? Yes, go ahead.
Just if you talk previously, if you need to click a pic, you have to visit a
You had to, huh?
or along with that you have to carry some DSLR or something. But nowadays,
You mentioned. Can you repeat again? Say it again. Say it again. Previously,
previously if you like need to click a pic,
if you needed to click a pic,
you have to visit a studio.
Okay.
Or if you are like on a if you are visiting somewhere, so you have to carry DSLR equipment and many more things
You had to. You had to in the past. Okay. Okay.
too. But right now you don't have to do that much of stuff. With the help of your smartphone, you can just click a pic. If you want to get a printout, just email it. With the help of that, so
Sorry, brother. Continue. Continue.
so you don't need to carry that much of stuff. With the help of a single smartphone, you can do each and everything like printing or clicking a best pic, best photo, and everything. So this is the change,
Okay.
like technology.
Okay. I think round one, the part one was the best in my opinion, and part two, I find some mistakes, grammar mistake, and here part three, the word you said opinion. It is better if you say opinion. Okay, not opinion, opinion. And instead of saying pics, you can say photos. And the remaining part was good. However, when you describe something in vivid details, the difficult topics, sometimes you are unable to express in a better way. So, like you are what you are saying, I understand, but it seems to me right now, Allah knows best. Like maybe I might be wrong, I don't understand correctly, but it doesn't seem to me you are able to convince me. Right now, you are doing good, in my opinion. Keep speaking. I don't think so. Are you speaking? Do you speak English at home nowadays? You don't try, right?